Hey guys, now what we're going to be doing today is learning how to SSH into your iPod or iPhone. iPod Touch, by the way. Um, I am going to show you how to do this on Mac, so if you have a PC, I'm sorry, you're just going to have to look somewhere else for that. But all I can tell you, well, you can pretty much follow the same instructions on here, except I'm using a different program than you are. So Mac users out there, Apple fanatics, well, here it is. Now what you're going to want to do is get an SSH client. There's some out there for Mac. In my case, I have CyberDuck, or you can get Transmit, I think is a pretty good one, but I use CyberDuck. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up CyberDuck. Here it is right here. Double click on it. The link to download CyberDuck should be in the description. So you see it's opening up. It's a duck icon. So here we go. Okay. You see my bookmarks? That's a website, and then right here is a website. Then right here is my phone. Right now I would just hit that and then hit enter. But for the case of simplicity, I'm gonna go ahead and do the open connection so you don't have to look on this. So what you will need to have is a jailbroken iPod Touch or iPhone. Currently I have version 2.2.1, but I don't know what versions it's compatible with. You're gonna need to download from Cydia on the open SSH. I think that's what it's called. And you're gonna download Toggle SSH, which is a GUI for it. So what you're gonna want to do is open up your iPhone and iPod Touch. Go to the Toggle SSH. It's the blowfish icon holding the briefcase that says top secret. And you'll get SSH daemon, enable or disable. You're going to want to hit enable. And once you hit enable, or should have told you this first, but make sure you're connected on the same network as your computer is. Or, well, you're not going to be able to connect because this is a local connection. So what you're going to want to do, open up your settings on your iPod Touch or iPhone. Go to Wi-Fi. And then you see your network. You're going to want to hit the blue arrow. And then you'll see your IP address, subnet mask router, subnet mask, not max. Then DNS and search domains and proxies and a bunch of stuff like that. You're not going to worry about much of this because you only really need one number, which is the IP address. So you're going to open up, well, you're going to click open connection. Now, this is FTP by default, which this is an FTP client and a bunch of other clients. So I can access my mobile me and stuff like that. You're going to want to hit SFTP, which is SSH, SFTP, which I don't know what it is, what it stands for. I used to know, but I can't remember. So anyway, go back to your iPhone, iPod Touch, and when you click the blue arrow next to your network you're connected to, you'll see IP address and a number right next to it. You're going to want to type that into server, which is mine is 192.168.1.168. If you think you're going to hack my computer or whatever, you can't do that because this is my local IP address. If you want your real IP address, you can go on a website, ipchicken.com, and it'll tell you your IP address. This is your local area network IP address. So by default, the username is going to be root. And your password, if you haven't changed it, there is ways of changing your password. I'm not sure how to do that, but I'm looking into that. because sometimes I'm in public places such as a coffee shop or whatever, where I bring my computer, and people can look and access my phone without me knowing it. So make sure you hit enable on your iPhone or iPod Touch on the SSH daemon or toggle, whatever you want to call it, and then enter your server name, your username, and the password by default is Alpine, Alpine. And see, mine only works if my toggle SSH or SSH daemon is, the program has to be open before I do it. So once you enable it and it's open, you connect, and it says right here mounting, and it says unknown host key. You're just gonna want to hit allow. Okay, so you know what? Here you are. That wasn't much big of a deal, are you? So right now it automatically acts as private var root, which is the user you're going on. You're accessing the root, but if you just want to get to your core files, you just hit the slash right there, which is the central file system. Right here in the applications, you'll find all your applications, your local applications, not downloaded applications. Applications that you cannot delete will be in there. So, I'll have to show you where to find your other applications, which we're going to do that in my next video when I show you how to cheat on field runners, which is pretty much why I'm doing this video, to show you how to SSH. So here you go. Now it looks like you're ready to do anything in your phone, your jailbroken phone or iPod Touch. Do whatever with it, add themes, or do whatever. So I guess that's it. Check out my next video. Bye.